What's up, family? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved these super cute head wrap styles using head wraps from Shop Draped, and I did 8 styles for you all, so let's go ahead and get into it. All of my head wraps is from Shop Draped, and so is this bomb tee. So make sure you all use my code to go pick up your gear, because all of the products are bomb, and the head wrap to the shirt to everything that I've received from this company I love. And also head over to my Instagram to get some more images and videos of how I styled both of these items. I kind of just wanted to have a little fun, and this is just for the ones who want to be a little bit extra on certain days. Nothing wrong with being a little extra. I am too a lot of the times, and here it is. Just kidding. I'm not finished. Let's go ahead and make this look a little bit not as extravagant, but hey, if you are that extravagant, then girl, go ahead and rock that head wrap, okay? This next one right here is just in case you don't want to do a really large turban on the top of your head. I absolutely love doing the large ones, but in case that's not really your vibe, then you can just go ahead and do something that's much smaller, doesn't bring much attention, but still looks extremely cute. like Naomi, talking like Michelle, iconic like Diana. Now that's an inspirational tee. I absolutely love this shirt. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Please subscribe. Bye.